Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Albay in Region 5 or Bicol region. The province of Albay has Legazpi City as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 5 or Bicol region. It is composed of 3 cities, 15 municipalities, and 720 barangays. It was founded on April 3, 1574. The total land area is 2,574.91 kilometers squared or 994.18 square miles. The province of Albay is bordered clockwise from the north by Camarines Sur, Lagonoy Gulf, Albay Gulf, Sorsogon, and Burias Pass. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Albay in Region 5 or Bicol region. The municipality of Bacacay with 56 barangays, the municipality of Camalig with 50 barangays, the municipality of Daraga with 54 barangays, the municipality of Ginobatan with 44 barangays, the municipality of Jovellar with 23 barangays, the capital city Legazpi City with 70 barangays, the municipality of Libon with 47 barangays, and the municipality of Ligao with 55 barangays. We also have the municipality of Malilipot composed of 18 barangays, Municipality of Malinaw comprising 29 barangays, Municipality of Manito with 15 barangays, Municipality of Owas with 53 barangays, Municipality of Pio Duran with 33 barangays, Municipality of Pulange with 44 barangays, Municipality of Rapu-Rapu with 34 barangays, and the municipality of Santo Domingo with 23 barangays. We also have Tabaco City with 47 barangays and the municipality of Tiwi with 25 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Albay in Region 5 or Bicol region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.